down on it. You ready? Yes! Get down. All the good-looking people, sing it. Go, go, go. You should have sung it. Come on, that's good. Get down on it. Get down. Everybody should have sung it. Listen, the economy's down, and we gonna give them some free right now. When I say free, somebody just smile. Free? Yes. The economy's down, and we gonna give them some free right now. When I say free, somebody say style. Free? That's right, it's official. Got it on YouTube. I want to give props to all the dudettes, slide on the S, feeling their best, taking a rest. See, you got a black purse. It's another thing I'll put in my rap verse. I mean, why not? She's got a blue scarf and rhyming things that it's not too hard, but I'm on the press. Like I said, this is slide on the S, which stands for the shuttle with a yellow couple. I hope that I'm not giving y'all any trouble. Just a little freestyle, and when I look around, I see smiles, which is good. If you like the music, I'm gonna do another one, y'all. I'm riding a shuttle train. It's amazing. I can't get mad.
Il va mettre sa casquette sur la tête avec son pied.
Feeling low. Y'all make me feel alright. Turn me with your love. Take me to paradise. I love the shuttle train. I mean, do you think you love the practice rounds? And now you know exactly what to do. I'm gonna bring it back. Here we go. I love the shuttle train. Everybody, here we go, everybody. Do you? I heard you sing it on the inside. That's good. Last one, your last one. Listen. Who's too busy to have fun in New York City? When I say New York, just say city. New York! New York! That's right. Who's confident? Who's too busy to have fun in New York City? When I say New York, just say city. New York City! Y'all are the best.